the kind of attitude British adopted for Turkey, right, in during the years 1910, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right. During these years, the attitude the British adopted for the Turkey, it created a feeling of resentment amongst the Indian Muslims, and they started developing an attitude that brought them closer to the Indian National Congress, and that took away the Indian Muslim League from the British. And the attitude, well, first thing, that the attitude of the British, and the second thing that worked to bring both parties together was the work or the efforts made by Lokmanya Tilak, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Annie Besant. These two leaders did a marvelous job in bringing these two parties together at one platform during Lucknow session in 1916, where both parties, that is Indian Muslim League and Indian National Congress, signed a historical pact which is known as the Lucknow Pact, when both parties decided to work together in the national movement. Let me read it for you, what I have written on my board, then I will explain you. So Lucknow Pact is a pact which was signed between Muslim League and the Congress, and both decided to work together, and a joint scheme of political reforms was put forward in 1916. So both decided to work together, both decided to start a joint scheme to bring political reforms in India, and this is considered as one of the historical event, because after 1906, when the Muslim League came into existence, after your 1909 Government of India Act 1909, when the Muslims got separate electorate, there was a rift between this Indian National Congress and Muslim League, and somehow that rift was eradicated, and both parties decided to work together against the British and to launch a joint scheme political reforms. Thank you.